Welcome to Easy English.
Hi, Anna. Welcome back.
Hi, Tom. It's good to be here again. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm getting ready for another trip.
Nice. Last time we talked about travel in general. Today, let's talk about transportation and tickets.
Great idea. This is very useful when you travel.
Yes, because everyone needs to buy tickets and use transportation.
Anna, how do you usually travel when you go to another city?
It depends on the distance. For long trips, I usually take a plane. For short trips, I prefer the train or the bus.
That makes sense. I'm similar. Planes are fast, but trains are more relaxing.
Yes. On a train, you can see the view and move around.
Do you buy your tickets online or at the station?
Most of the time, I buy tickets online. It's easy and saves time.
Same here. Buying tickets online is very convenient.
But sometimes I buy tickets at the station, especially for short trips.
Yes, that's true. At the station, you can also ask questions.
Exactly. You can say, "Excuse me, I'd like to buy a ticket."
Or you can ask, how much is a ticket to this city?
These are very simple but useful sentences.
Anna, do you usually buy one-way tickets or round-trip tickets?
I usually buy round-trip tickets because they are often cheaper. How about you?
I often buy one-way tickets when I'm not sure about my plans.
That makes sense. Flexibility is important when traveling.
Yes. When you travel by plane, do you arrive early?
Yes, always. I usually arrive at the airport at least 2 hours early.
Me too. Airports can be busy, and I don't like to rush.
What do you do at the airport while you wait?
I check my ticket and passport first. Then, I look for my gate.
Same here. Sometimes I get a coffee or just sit and relax.
Do you like airports?
Not really, but I don't hate them. They can be noisy and crowded.
I agree. But airports also feel exciting because a trip is about to start. What about public transportation in a city?
I often use buses and subways when I travel. They are cheap and easy to use.
Me too. I like public transportation because it helps me understand the city.
Do you ever feel confused when using buses or subways?
Yes, sometimes. But I usually check maps on my phone.
That's helpful. You can also ask people for help.
Yes, you can say, "Excuse me, which line should I take?"
Or, "Does this bus go to the city center?"
These questions are very useful. Anna, do you like taking taxis or ride-sharing cars?
Sometimes. I take them when I'm tired or when it's late.
Same here. They are more expensive, but very convenient.
Yes, comfort is important after a long day.
What do you usually do after you arrive at your destination?
First, I go to my hotel. After that, I rest or look for food.
That's a good plan. Transportation can be tiring.
Yes, especially with luggage.
Before we finish, let's practice some useful transportation sentences.
Good idea. You can say, "I'd like to buy a ticket."
Or you can ask, how much is a ticket to the airport?
You can also say, "Which train should I take?"
These sentences help you travel with confidence.
Yes, and they are easy to remember.
Thanks for listening to our podcast today.
We hope this episode helps you travel more easily.
See you next time.
Bye.